Hello friends, Dilip Davda here again in front of you. Today I am going to discuss with you about the mega main board IPO which is opening tomorrow. The company is FSN e-commerce, which is popularly known as Nykaa, and ever since it filed its DRHP, it was the talk of the town and was eagerly awaited. But when we today have finally all the things in place, we think that this IPO is definitely overpriced based on its valuations as well as its current working. What I would like to emphasize here that though my detailed review is available on chitraduga.com for this IPO may not be having any listed peers on an apple to apple basis, but there are so many multinational players in the same segment, and thus company is poised for a high competitive field going forward, and whether it will be able to sustain the margins, because we know that in e-commerce place, the parent company or the people who started this euphoria, that is future retail, we are seeing what kind of fate it has been seeing, whereas it is having all sort of things, right from consumers related groceries, fashions, personal care and whatnot, but still it has suffered a lot despite being number one and having so many number of outlets and the malls. And this is what is raising concern for this IPO of e-commerce company FSN e-commerce Nykaa. Now if we see the results of this company definitely turned the corner last year with a 61 crore profit, and that too in a pandemic year, which is really mind-boggling and unconvincing, because if we see prior to that in previous two fiscals it has suffered a loss. Even for the first quarter of the current fiscal, on a turnover of 21 crore, it has earned hardly about 3.5 crore. So 61 crore profit for the full year, that too pandemic year, raises question. And secondly, if we see the valuation part, then this IPO is priced at a PE of 380 plus. So it's really exorbitantly priced IPO, discounting all near-term positives. So in my view, if you have surplus money, you are ready to take risk, you may go ahead with this IPO, but before that you consult your financial advisor and then take the final call, because I think this company has priced its 1 rupee IPO at 11.25 per share, and whether this kind of fancied price is to be paid for this issue or not is again $1 million question. And that is why I am not very convinced about this IPO's subscription, because we have also seen a thing in the grey market, though grey market is not the criteria for considering investment in the primary market, but to take a clue from there, when there was no price announcement was done by this company, it started GMP beginning with 650 per share, went up to 700, but the moment it announced the price band, it nosedived to 500 rupees, and now currently it's around 600. But whether it will sustain this kind of fancy at the time of listing, I'm not sure. So please bear in mind that don't go by premium alone, grey market premium, but also the other things you must consider, because at this valuation, what thing is available for investors on table, that is to be seen. So friends, better consult your financial advisor and then take a final call. Thank you.